This is a brand new 2026 Cardinal by Force River 33CHEF. And the reason why they call it 33CHEF is a 33-foot fifth wheels with a big kitchens in the back. As you see, this is a chef kitchen. Look how beautiful. The amount of storage on the left side of the 3-burner range stove and an oven. Another lot of storage on the right side. Big country sink. Look how deep it is with the high-rise faucets. A lot of doors. I mean, look, doors, cabinets, doors. So look the amount of storage I could put in this unit, the amount of the cooking pans and silverware and dishes. It's huge. And also, ladies, don't worry, you still have your big pantry. So you have another pantry here. Look how deep this one. So if the cameraman take a big picture and I'm standing in this kitchen, this is a chef kitchen. Look the amount of the storage where I could, how many cooking pans, how many silverware, how many tinsel, dishes, and pantries I could use in this nice small corner. What I like about it is you standing from here that way is a full separations. And then they give you the big residential fridge. You know, big door for a fridge and freezers. As well, you have a place. Let me close these cabinets. Then you have the big 30-inch Korean microwave. Nice 3-burner range with oven. And then you have the cooking pans, tinsel doors. You have 4. They're deep. And then you have a beautiful place for a trash can. And by the way, come with the trash can. It's a finished cabinet. And then you have another storage here. So it's amazing from the space. Plus, I want to raise these shades for you guys because you see how so bright when you are standing in this kitchen. So you are me, the wife, or somebody in this kitchen cooking. It has a nice, beautiful view. So while you are fixing supper, lunch, snack, you see, look how beautiful, bright. So I'm cooking and I could see what's around my trailers. And if I'm parking next to the oceans, rivers, forests, it gives you a nice look. It's open your heart to the outside elements and make it easy to maneuver here. And I'm still in the 33 foot. That's the reason why they call this unit 33CHEF. Going across from it, I love the Cardinal tables. It has a high top, freestanding tables, no legs. It's easy. When you sit here, you feel the seat is completely holding you. They have the zebra shades, and I want to raise this window to show you the Cardinal Chef come with a big panorama window. That help you a lot, especially when you go in the forest or in a nice spot. So if you look on both sides, you have 2 big panorama window. The unit come with zebra shades where you could do nighttime, daytime, or completely up. But look, I'm just in this corner as a customer. I want you to emphasize this. Look how bright it is. Look how bright. When you open just 2 windows and the kitchen window, it gives you very open look. It make it look big, but it's actually 33 feet. Now, another advantage, they have the outlet underneath right there for a cell phone, iPhone, and so on, and charger. So if I bring these nights to make it more cooler, very easy. You could see the shades, very easy to utilize. Now, beauty about this one, this fifth wheel, I could use it traveling nurse. I go with alignments. I go some other cities where I work and I need to work from my fifth wheel and enjoy my free time. You could do that. Why? Because again, you have the beautiful kitchen, a beautiful dinette. You have your own office. So I'm sitting here. I could answer my emails with my customers when they ask me, okay, is this trailer is located? I could answer my emails. I could do business. I could do my Zoom meeting with work. And I'm in camping. So I could work while I'm in camping. And that's the beauty, is giving a completely full desk. Not a small, not a shelf. I'm talking about, look, hand to hand. So I could put my laser printer. I put my screen, my desktop, I could put it underneath, right there, my desktop, my big monitor, keyboard, mouse, and big laser printer or color printer. I have 3 doors, 3 on this side as well, and look how deep they are. So I'm at work. I mean, so Dinette office work. So you have kitchen, your office like a houses. You have a room for your kitchen dining, a room for your office. And even while I'm working, I could swing this TV. I want to show you. Look, I could swing this TV. So while I'm working and I do my work, I could still watch my NFL game or my college football. I love college football. So I could sit here watching my college football, working, answering phones, do my job, and I have a nice, beautiful smart TV facing my living area. So I don't know what you need to ask more than that. You have everything. Now, social life. If you have friends and family members, you have a beautiful TV you could swing. You could pull it out, or you could push it all the way in back and lock it. So that's locking. And I could sit here on a beautiful sofa. 2 people there, 2 or 3, 1, 2, 3 on the dining. So I could put 7 people in this room, full 7 adult, have a nice conversation, have a nice drink with them, and I'll watch a game with them. Nice entertainment center, as you see, from big smart TV, nice cabinet, glass, I like that. Nice modern fireplace, places for books, games, remote controls. And if I brought somebody with me, I have a full hide-a-bit sofa here. So this is hide-a-bit, bed going this way and that way. I demonstrated that many times for you guys. So it's just straightforward. And you have a beautiful theater seating. Monday football. Where's my drink? Lay down, watch the game, and enjoy it. Now, this unit, people, they don't realize, it comes with 2 ACs as a standard. There's 1 AC in the bedroom as well, 1 AC in the living room. But also, it's a prep. You see the stickers with this? It's a prep. If I decide to add a 3rd AC, it's a prep for me. And the reason why we don't add the 3rd AC, because we realize in this size 2 is plenty. But if you need the 3rd one, no problem. We could add it. It's already prepped. So the separations of living, office, dining room, kitchen. And you could accommodate more people in this 5th wheel without people bouncing against each other. Now let's go to the bedroom. Look how nice step. Sensors at light at night, so you can see when you're stepping at night, so you don't have to trip. Place to put your shoes when you take your shoes off coming from outside. Nice inter-assistant handle. You have a beautiful window. You could look up. If somebody come to the door, I could see who's coming to my door. And nobody could see you because this window set up high, and I could see what's going on in the campground. You have a nice solid door here. And people, they never realize this is 6.4. 6.4. So it's not gonna hit your head. My cameraman is a tall guy and he doesn't hit his head. So no worries. Beautiful closet. And it's already prepped for washer and dryer. I could put a dryer here and a washer right there. Plenty storage, plenty closet, plenty room for jeans, shoes, socks, underwears, you name it. There's a lot of doors for that. Nice vanity for lady for makeup. Or you could put a 32-inch TV right here facing your king-size bed. Now, my king-size bed, 2 things people, they don't realize. I have a plug right here, 110. USB plug. So I wish the cameraman, could you show them, cameraman, a little bit more further? So there's a 12 volt USB, the 2 kind, plus 110. Place where you leave your phone or bottled water or CPAP machine. King size bed with the window for wind circulation. So I have this window open It gives you nice, especially in the morning, you have the nice breeze coming in and it's just cool off the room. Well, you have this window right here. Let me just open it so you can see. So it's nice window and it's open. And then you have this nice decoration. Give me a second. Oh my God. Okay. Voila. But I want to point something is you have another window here. And the beauty about these two windows, why they put it against facing each other, because it gives you the circulation. And this window is open. Something when you want it to be done quick. So you open this window, open that window, you have a nice fresh water, fresh air coming in. Also, you have your second AC above your bedroom, so there's no issue. Also, this one you want to close it, it's closed. Place for TV, and extra shelf here. And then there's a plug also down here if you want to put any machine. So you could see very roomy. And then when you close these doors, I love what they're using, what's called barn doors, farm doors. So this is a true barn doors. Look how beautiful this is. Love this. Okay, now let's go to the bathroom. Oh, cameraman, show them there's a sensor at night so they could see when they walk in to the bedroom or to the bathroom in the middle of the night. The bathroom has everything. Nice big mirror with LED lights. Nice big sink, washing face, place for hair dryers, chemical medicine cabinets, shampoo, soap, shaving, you name it. Place for towels, towel racks. And you have no issue with the toilet. And I love is the showers very shallow to get in. So if you have any problem, you don't have to worry about that. And you have the full privacy in it. Skylight, fantastic fan, towel rack, you name it. Let me go show you over here. We have a full controller, so you could see turn all these lights from here. This is the black water, the gray water, all this. This is for the endless hot water heater, tankless water heater. And it has a 12-volt heat holding tank. That's what it said, tank heater. So that means my heated tank is heated and enclosed underbelly. And this is all the switch for the slide out. This is a controller for the AC front and AC in the back. And then this one is for the Premier one, also AC. So AC front, AC in the back. So this is a beautiful 33CHEF, perfect for somebody want to live in, somebody want to save money, want to get all the amenities of fifth wheel on a very budget price. Let me show you outside. Folks, I'm in front of the 33CHEF. Now everybody ask me, what is 33CHEF? This is a brand new 2026 Forest River Cardinal 33-foot fifth wheel. 33CHEF is mean the big kitchen in the back, office, middle living, big bathroom, and a front suite king-size bed with washer and dryers, prep, and closets. Now, I want to show you the brand new 26 Cardinal new features outside. What they did, they add a big, higher, this is a high profile cap in the front. What does it mean high profile? 6.4 clearance in the bedroom area. They added two beautiful LED light on the side. They have the nice Rhino box, Kempin box. Two power awning. As you look here, two power awning with LED light. Big floodlight above amber, above the entry door. It's a bigger door and full pass-through storage in the front. Aluminum construction. This is not a corrugated, not a wood frame. 20 tanks, two of them. And on this 33CHEF, as you see, it has the 6-point auto leveling system. Actually, 4-point auto leveling system. This is the big panorama window. Rack and pinion slide out. There's 3 slide out in this unit, 1 in here and to the other side. As a typical Cardinal in the back, they give you a backup camera prep. A class 3 hitch in the back with a 4-way plug, so in case if you want to tow a jet skis or a boat. Yeah, 50 amp power cord. It's come with 2 AC and prep for the third. This is the 2 slide on this side. Suburban endless hot water heater, tankless. And then you have one-piece docking stations, or you have the city water connection, sandy flush, cable hookup, satellite hookup, outside shower, and easy access. I could do everything through here. That's your 50 amp cord. And then this is the place of the battery, where I could put 2 batteries if I want. There's a light for the cap in the front. This is to prove for you. It has the auto leveling system, the sensor light, so when you get at night, battery disconnect switch. And in the front, you have a place for it comes with your spare tires. It's right there. And plenty of room if you decide one day to have a generator. This is a brand new 2026 Cardinal 33CHEF. Let's inside and show you the chef kitchen inside this unit. Coming in.
The talking. Finish the video here. Come to Best RV.
Come to Best RV because we shop. A lot of people, they don't realize I did the homework for you. I make the doubt for you to prove for you. When you're buying this unit from me, I am the lowest price in the state of California or this side of the country. No hidden fees. I make get ready package free, dealer prep free. Everything is done for free. Just you're paying the sale price plus tax and license. Coming in and save thousands with Best RV.